The tools that you need for replacing your brake pads are long nose, 2.5 and 5 millimeter hex keys or Allen keys, safety pin that bended on the tip, and also your new brake pads. Using your hex key, your 2.5 hex key or Allen key, loose the screw counter by turning counterclockwise until you remove the screw. Then now use the 5 millimeter hex key or Allen key to loosen the brake pad by turning counterclockwise until you remove the worn brake pad. You don't need to loosen the other screw on the other side. You need only a safety pin with bended tip and try to hook or remove the other brake pad. Use also a long nose or pliers to remove the old or worn brake pad. Insert the new disc pad inside. Just push with your hex key or Allen key and it will be aligned easily because this is magnetic. Then you can just reverse the procedure. Screw the other brake pad clockwise. Tighten with your Allen key or hex key. Then put it back the small screw by using your 2.5 hex key or Allen key.